Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful star amigurumi or kawaii star. It's a very simple and easy project. It makes a wonderful written gift idea or a quick classroom gift. If you would like to have a written pattern of this star amigurumi, you can find it in our website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Come on, let's see how to crochet this star amigurumi. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project I'll be using big twist value yarn, some stuffing, keyrings and scissors and needle with black thread and some safety eyes, and I'll be using 3.5mm crochet hook. We'll also need stitch marker to identify our first stitch. So for round 1 we'll be working a magic ring and we will work 5 single crochet around the magic ring. So we are going to work in a spiral, so we'll need a stitch marker to identify our first stitch. So once you're done with 5 single crochet, tighten the magic ring and we'll go ahead work our round 2. For round 2 we are going to work 2 single crochet on each stitch of round 1 around. So on each stitch we are going to go ahead work 2 single crochet. So at the end of this round 2 we will have 10 single crochet stitches. So I'm tightening the center of my magic ring, and we are not working a slip stitch at the end of our rounds. We are continuously going to work the next round. So work 2 single crochet on each stitch around. So at the end of round 2 we'll have 10 single crochet stitches. So now we can proceed with round 3. For round 3 I'm going to work 1 single crochet in my first stitch and I'm going to work 3 half double crochet on the next stitch. So I'm going to repeat this around. That is, I'm going to work 1 single crochet in one stitch and 3 half double crochet on the next stitch around. So at the end of this round we'll have 20 stitches. So continue working 1 single crochet in one stitch and 3 half double crochet on the next stitch around. So let's proceed with round 4. For round 4 I'm going to work 1 single crochet on the next 2 stitches. So you must have noticed we have worked 3 half double crochet 5 times. So on the middle, that is the second half double crochet, we are going to increment. That is, we'll work 3 double crochet on each second half double crochet. On the rest other stitches we are going to work 1 single crochet. So I've worked 1 single crochet in my first 2 stitches, and in the next stitch I will work 3 half double crochet, and then going forward we will be working 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches and 3 half double crochet on the next stitch around for 4 times. So if you notice, we are just going to increment on the second half double crochet of each 3 half double crochet groups. So work 1 single crochet on the next 3 stitches and 3 half double crochet on the next stitch 4 times. So we'll have 1 stitch left at the last. In the last stitch we are going to work 1 single crochet, because in the starting we just started off with 2 single crochet. So continue working like this around. So at the end of this round 4 we will have 30 stitches. So we have 1 stitch left. In the last stitch I'm going to work 1 single crochet, and with this our round 4 is complete. Let us proceed with round 5, which is the last round. So for this I'm going to work 1 single crochet on the next 3 stitches until we reach the second half double crochet of the 3 half double crochet groups. So in this round also we are going to increment on the second half double crochet. So we are going to work 3 half double crochet on the second half double crochet of the previous rows 3 half double crochet groups. So I'm going to work 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, and then I'm going to work 3 half double crochet on the next stitch. So and then going forward I will be working 1 single crochet on the next 5 stitches and 3 half double crochet on the next stitch, so which we are going to do 4 times. So we have started off with 3 stitches, 3 single crochet stitches. So at the end we will finish off with 2 single crochet, that is 1 single crochet in my last 2 stitch. So the other 4 sides we are going to work 1 single crochet on each on 5 stitches and 3 half double crochet on the 6th stitch. So continue working like this around. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. So we are going to work 1 single crochet on the last 2 stitches, and then we'll work a slip stitch and fasten off. So that's the end of our star. You can see the pattern coming up. Now I'm going to fasten off and work a slip stitch. So this is one side of our star, so we'll need to work exact same pattern one more time for the other side of the star. While you work the second star, do not cut your yarn, leave a long tail. So I've worked one more star of the same pattern, so I've not cut my yarn yet. So after working a slip stitch, I'll go ahead, attach some safety eyes to one side of my star. So I'm gonna go ahead, attach safety eyes before we sew these stars together. So I'm gonna attach safety eyes. So once the safety eyes is attached, I'm holding both these stars with the wrong side facing each other, and then I'm just tugging in all the extra yarns inside, and then I will be working back loop slip stitches holding both these stars together. So I will be picking up the corresponding stitches of each star, holding their back loops together and work a slip stitch. So I'll go ahead, work like this around, and then at the end I will work a slip stitch and fasten off my yarn. So now I'll fasten off my yarn, and using the blunt tip of the regular aluminium crochet hook, I'm just tugging in the extra piece of yarn inside the amigurumi itself. Next, we'll embroider some mouth or a smile for our star amigurumi. I'm using some fine thread in black color. Here is our cute Amigurumi star. It's a wonderful project. I've made few other stars as well. Now for the finishing touch, I'm just applying some blush on my star, which makes it looks even more cuter. So go ahead, apply some blush on your stars, and then we can attach the key rings to the star. Here it is, our wonderful cute star amigurumi. Key rings are ready. I've attached the key rings to them, and it's a very good gift idea or a last minute gift idea. It can be made in minutes. I hope you found this tutorial easy and you found it easy to follow. Please try this project at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.